Step into the world's toughest forests, where powerful machines conquer giant trees, master extreme terrain, and redefine modern logging through incredible agriculture technology and engineering. Every giant tree begins with one precise cut. This experienced logger confidently fells a towering 5-foot diameter hemlock using years of skill and perfect technique. Watch true forestry skill in action, equipped with the Stihl MS-462. This experienced logger brings down massive beech trees with precision, control, and confidence, proving that the perfect combination of skill and professional equipment delivers safe, efficient tree felling. Meet one of the smartest forestry machines in action. The CC Boyce Harvester features an 8-ton hydraulic winch and eco-tracks that reduce soil compaction by up to 60%. Designed for sustainable logging, combines powerful performance with exceptional environmental protection. Moving giant logs is a challenge only powerful machines can handle. Built for steep forest roads and rugged terrain, these heavy-duty transporters haul enormous timber with outstanding balance and control, keeping valuable loads moving safely from the forest to the processing yard.
Ahí sí.
Firewood production has never looked this easy. Inside the comfortable cab of the Han HF 160 Pro, operators transform heavy logs into perfectly cut firewood with outstanding consistency. Would you use this machine? Tell us in the comments, like this video, and subscribe to The Machines. Smart technology is changing modern forestry. The Senbo 735E combines advanced hydraulic controls with exceptional maneuverability, allowing operators to complete complex logging tasks more efficiently. Step back into the early days of timber processing. This impressive steam-powered sawmill once transformed enormous oak logs into quality lumber using massive circular saws. Its remarkable engineering paved the way for today's modern wood processing technology and industrial forestry equipment. Nothing slows the Bandit 1990 XP. Spinning at 1,200 RPM, this powerful machine tears through heavy logs within seconds, producing valuable wood chips for biomass and landscaping. Its efficient hydraulic system combines speed, performance, and environmentally responsible wood processing. Pure cutting power comes alive. The still professional chainsaw tears through massive trunks with remarkable speed, while maintaining complete control. Nature always has the final say. Experienced loggers know when to stop, protecting lives through smart decisions, careful planning, and respect. Tree stumps don't stand a chance against the Tusa KK900. Built for excavators weighing 16 to 22 tons, this heavy-duty attachment destroys stubborn stumps with incredible efficiency. It clears land quickly, prepares sites for replanting, and reduces countless hours of manual excavation. The razor-sharp blade slices effortlessly through solid wood, delivering smooth, accurate cuts that maximize lumber quality with minimal waste. One wrong cut can trigger a dangerous barber chair. Experience, precision, and careful planning keep every tree felling operation under control. And drop one in the comments if this video blew your mind. Because your support, that's what fuels the fire behind every machine roar and chainsaw scream we bring to life for you. Meet the machine that dominates stubborn hardwood. Equipped with a powerful cutting head, the LTD Stump Boss tears through massive tree stumps with incredible force. Watch raw hydraulic power take over. The Hunt excavator rips stubborn tree stumps from the ground with remarkable force, while maintaining smooth, controlled movement. Don't underestimate this compact machine. The Arba R150 slices through thick logs in just 20 seconds with a powerful 1,000 revolutions per minute cutting system. Built for speed, fuel efficiency, and sustainable wood processing, it turns heavy timber into valuable wood chips with remarkable precision. Teamwork makes heavy forestry look effortless. The Praga FE3SS3 works together with the powerful Z131 winch to extract deeply rooted timber safely and efficiently. Their combined pulling force minimizes ground disturbance while maximizing productivity in difficult forest conditions. Watch the still Ms. 661 and Ms. 500I put their cutting power to the test. Built for professional forestry, both chainsaws deliver outstanding speed, precision, and performance while tackling massive timber with impressive efficiency. Deep mud brought a timber-loaded Volvo to a complete stop. With the right recovery equipment and skilled operators, the heavy truck was pulled free quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping timber transport moving efficiently. Built to perform under pressure, the Timberwolf Alpha 6 handles demanding timber with impressive strength and precision. Every cut is controlled, every operation efficient, helping forestry professionals maximize productivity while working safely in challenging environments. Power meets precision with the Hitachi's Axis 200. Fitted with a high-performance ripper attachment, it breaks through stubborn roots and compacts soil effortlessly. A routine log transfer suddenly took an unexpected turn when the load slipped out of control. The incident highlights how proper lifting techniques, skilled operators, and strict safety procedures are essential in every forestry operation. Watch thousands of pounds move with incredible control. The Lair LRS 545 lifts up to 30 tons of timber and stacks logs as high as 8.5 meters. Its telescopic boom and powerful grapple deliver fast, accurate handling while minimizing downtime in busy timber yards. Wood waste quickly becomes valuable material with the Gen Z hybrid chipper. Featuring a 1400mm drum, it processes up to 500 cubic meters of debris per hour, producing uniform wood chips for efficient recycling and biomass applications. Before you go, tell us which machine impressed you most. Like this video and subscribe to The Machines for more incredible heavy machinery and agriculture technology.